Very good morning to my instructor, Taiban Angelo Sanchez, and my classmates in Sigma School. My name is Jayden, and today I will be presenting my capstone project. So a bit of a background about a bit of an introduction about myself. My full name is Jayden Menai Sharihan Pradeep. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but it is what it is. I'm 25 years old this year. Previously, I worked in the communications industry, and why I joined Sigma School is that I felt that my career didn't have a particular direction, and so if I had to choose one direction, I decided it would be tech. And why I chose Sigma School is because of the money back guarantee, and because the course is very structured. So I felt that that would be the best choice for me to learn tech. And a bit of background about my project. My project is basically a website for a fictional dental clinic that allows a user to create, read, update, and delete bookings. Why I chose this project is because it was the simplest project that allowed me to apply everything I had learned thus far in the bootcamp. Everything from JavaScript in Module 1, React.js in Module 2, and lastly, Replit and slash Vercel in Module 3, and also AI in Module 4. And also that this project has an important real-world use because many institutions and organizations in the real world have booking systems, and apps such as these would help them to simplify their booking systems and make it easier for their customers to create bookings. And so here's the technical overview for my project. Some of the programming languages / technologies are used. For the front end, I used React.js, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. For the backend, I use Node.js, and database, I use PostgreSQL. So I'll just go ahead and present and show off my project. So firstly, here's a glimpse at the database that I use for this project, which is in NeonSQL. So we have a users table here, and we also have a bookings table here, where it has the rows of title, date, time, location, and also the time it was updated at. And then this is the backend that I used. It has a function to log in to send reminder emails. Okay. And now I shall demonstrate my project. So at the start, we have a login page. For the login page, I used Firebase authentication, in particular the Google sign in option. So when one clicks in on the sign in with Google button, you're able to choose which Google account you would like to use to sign into the app. So then this is the landing page. So here you have the appointments tab where you can check what appointments you created, the add appointment button, which allows one to create an appointment. And there's also an option here to choose a profile picture. For this, I used Firebase storage. Okay, so that's the function to upload a profile picture. So now we'll go ahead and create an appointment. So in the add appointment page, we have the title, which allows the user to describe what is the purpose of the appointment, and a section to choose a date, the time, and lastly the location. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate it. As you can see, the booking has been created here. Also shows up in our database, and there's also the option to edit your appointment and also to mark your appointment as completed. So I'll demonstrate the function to edit the appointment. Also, you have to wait 1 minute because since I'm using localhost, so I'll demonstrate that the function to send an email works on my phone. As you can see, sorry if it's not a bit clear, but yeah, the default there's an email here sent um that shows that my booking will be 1 hour. Okay, and then I'll just show that the mark as completed function works. So you can do this also. And lastly, you can also just delete the booking entirely. And lastly, there is the function to log out, which will take you back to the login page. And that's all for my app.